Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore on how to delete a listing on eBay. Let's begin. Now, the first thing we need to do is to log in using your credentials. You can continue with using your Facebook account, Google or Apple, or this might be the perfect time for you to create your account here on eBay. You can choose from personal, business, and just by providing a full legal name, email, password, and following the on-screen instructions by clicking on the create an account button. Now, once you are logged in, you need to click on my eBay, click on summary. Now, if you have a list of item on your listings, go to selling. Basically, just click on the listings that you want to delete right here. Okay, that it's very simple. All right. Now, in any chance that you are having problems deleting your active listing here, you might want to click on the help and contact section here. Go to that, type in, say delete, ending a listing. All right. If you're lost during the whole navigation process from here, eBay customer service self-help panel will be more than glad to assist you on that. And as you can see, you can end an eBay fixed price listing at any time, but auctions can only be ended in certain situations because you can actually click delete and confirm when it asks you, because I've done this multiple times and it works every time. Now, if you're decided, all you're gonna do now, when you click end your listings, what will happen is you would be able to end your listing here. It's a different approach, but it's the same process, right? Search for the item you want to delete. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.